Okay, let's start. Hi everyone, welcome to Hack-nostr-on workshop episode 11. Hack-nostr-on is hosted by Yaki Hong and sponsored by DoraHacks, aims to encourage more ideas, applications, and problem solving. Yaki Hong is a Nostr-based decentralized content media protocol which supports free curation, creation, publishing, and reporting by various of medias. And DoraHacks is a global hackathon organizer and one of the world's most active developer incentive platforms. It creates a global hacker movement and provides toolkits to help developers around the world to team up and fund their ideas and build those via hackathons, bounties, grants, and more. And today we're so glad to have Nostrmo today to share with us about the insights about Nostr and NIP-07. And so let's welcome Nostrmo. Welcome, Dasu.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Dasu. Today's the topic I sharing with you is the Nostr and NIP-07. NIP-07. Let's begin. Our sharing today is mainly divided into 4 parts. The first part is about what is Nostr. The second part is what is NIP-07. And the third part is NIP-07 applications. And the last is what next. Okay, begin the first part. What is the Nostr? Let's quickly review of the what is Nostr. Okay. Please look at this picture. There were many people. They can use what client they like, and they will connect to multiply arrays, and they can send or receive message from the array. So this is the Nostr. Yes, we can say that there were multiple clients. User can choose what client they use, and there was multi message clients. User send and receive the message such as the no, image, blocks, voice, and there are also many kinds of message from are used in the Nostr. And you can say that they also multiply multi-servers and enhance relay. We can see that the Nostr network is decentralized. Okay, let's go to the next part. The second part is what is the NIP-07? It's about in this part we can learn about the NIP-07. Look at this. What is the NIP-07? The NIP-07 is about the Windows Nostr. This is an object. They have the capability for the web browser. It mainly have 2 functions. These two functions. The mainly function 1, get public. When you call this function, it will return your public key as hash. And other main function is the size event function. When you take this function, it will size your event with the and add the ID public and signal and sig field, and it will return the event to you. It also has other function, but it isn't necessary. For example, the get replace returns the replace you are using now, and in cycle or discycle function, just like the NIP-04 is the direct message in cycle and excycle. So this is the NIP-07 methods for now. Okay. So what is the NIP-07? You can see here. You can see here this Nostr, and this is many other web application. The NIP-07 is the bridge between Nostr and other third-party web application. All the capabilities is being with the JavaScript Nostr. You can use it just like a common object. When open a web sheet with the NIP-07 implication, it can be accept this Nostr object, but you call the NIP-07 function. There's usually a confirmation to obey the options to use the capability, and it may be forbidden. After the web page get the signal event, it can directly send to the replace. Because of this event is signed, it can more update your information, update your content list, or send a note. So maybe someone will ask, is NIP-07 important, and why NIP-07 is important? We can see this picture. First, we can focus on the left part. This is the WeChat. I think everybody should know that WeChat is the most popular application in China. Let's take a look at the WeChat first. WeChat is a social application, and WeChat also has a payment function, but WeChat has a great number third-party web page and mini application. So many third-party application. So many third-party application support thanks to a large WeChat API. And WeChat help this third-party application to get the user, get payment, and share to the WeChat. Also, this third-party application help the WeChat user to get more contents and enjoy it. And we can also focus on Nostr too. Nostr is also a social network property, and he has the Lightning support. And now the NIP-07 is the bridge with the with other full path web utils. I think NIP-07 can be just like the WeChat API, and they may help Nostr network to build many third-party applications, and maybe one day Nostr can be popular just like WeChat. So that's why I believe that NIP-07 is very important. Let's go to the first part. NIP-07 applications. And what application about NIP-07 are available now? Just go to see. Okay, here. NIP-07 application has the implement. Has the implement now. You can see that most of them are the browser plugin. When user visit the website in the browser, this plugin can offer the NIP-07 for them. But I just one application, Nostrmo, implement the NIP-07. So today I will show you some case in the when user use the NIP-07. This is the NIP-07 application types. There's the music player. There are some music player, and this is contain list backup and restore. For next part, NIP file servers, method add, long form content use, chat utils. Let's see some example. Okay, look at this. This two link is the music player in Nostr network. This is the Ramen application link. You can see that when you log in this link, it will open this screen, and you can listen the music, and also you can log in or Yacht to it. But when you call the Yacht, it will show that this is a confirmation to about the oceans. Or you can also tap this confirm, and it will. This is the side event method. It will join the Yacht event and join a Yacht QR codes. When user use in the PC browser, you can use the phone to scan this QR code. But in mobile, I don't know how to pay. It also in Nostrmo, you can tap the high button, and it will run this web view in background. You can enjoy the Nostr network and with the Nostr music. Okay, look at this. This tooling is about the content list backup and restore. This is the Kai-free SYE. And this others. Kai-free SYE. This is the content list backup application. When you log in, it will ask you for what release you use now. and you can confirm, and it will find what and it will find your content list. You can save, and when you think it's necessary, you can use this for backup, and it can also update your backup for your content list. This is the others. It can, and this is the others. When you log in, it also asks you for the device you are using, and it can find the versions from the device you are using, and it will show that you can see that this is the version in May 11, and this is the version in April 27. You can just override this, override the old version from if you have mistake and delete someone, you can use this to override it. And this tooling is about the long form contents. We usually use the Nostr to share something, but many times, but often what we share is the short contents, but this is long content. What is long content? It's just like the blog or some article. When you use this tooling, you can send the long form contents with this tooling, and it doesn't need to the mobile application to implement this implement the long form content. You just use this tooling. Okay, this is the chat utils. You can see that there was a global chat, and it also has the direct message, just like this. This is me. I'm talking about with Tom. This 7 also has the function to encycle or decycle the direct message. When you open this one, it will ask you to call this message. It will decycle the message and show you. Okay. Finally, in the 1, 2, 3 part, we learn about Nostr and learn about NIP-07 and see what kind of user provide what kind of user use the NIP-07, and we can use what kind of the web application web utils. But they also has something to do in the NIP-07. Let's see. The NIP-07 unable to invoke the Lightning Network payment directly, and we can see this image. This is the music player. When you want to use in the web utils, it will show you the QR code, and maybe there should be a way to direct call the landing page. And look at this, and there was no message share even kind. this is my WeChat. When we use WeChat, we often share the visit or the mini application with but in Nostr it doesn't have the message share event kind, and maybe this one, and maybe it can help the user to find the web utils easier. Okay, and there was no field interface, and that means that user cannot download or upload field in the website in application, and it's a big to accept the field. And it also need more application to implement the NIP-07. Just for now, the most of the implement are the browser plugin, and they might. I think there should be others mobile application to implement the NIP-07. And finally, they also need more NIP and Nostr web util to use NIP-07. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Dasu. As we all know that your project is called Nostrmo. Could you show us some demo, something about your project, and introduce it to us?
Okay. Just wait.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
I think,
this is my application for Nostr. It names Nostrmo, and it was made with flat, so it can use in many platforms. For example, iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac. This is the Android. I can also show you the Windows. Just wait. Oh, here is the Windows, and you can see that it has many functions, and just like others social network application, and this index, and this is a okay, and this is the flat view. You can see that, and send a line. Also, this is the user page, user information, and what he has sent. This is the edit. I pay a lot of time for this. I believe that a good editor can help people to enjoy the social network. You can upload the image, and maybe you can rate someone. You can search in this. Okay, see that. It doesn't like
it can directly search by name, not by the key, right?
Yes. It doesn't like other clients. Other clients need to write the public key here. I think it's unfriendly for people. So I pay many times for this to write the edit.
Well, this
You
is
can
not
also
inconvenient. Yeah.
you can also erase the event. Just like you can see that nice. You can also when you you can rate it.
This search is only in your
Yes,
following, or it's a search all the relays.
The date is from the cache when you load, because many relays don't offer the search application, don't offer the search API. They also search function in here. You can see that this one is search from the cache, and they also need 15 in here. This is but the relays I connect it doesn't implement the next 50, so I can search here. Just search from
that's cool.
from cache.
Yeah. So for the I saw the other window for the browser version. There is a home, then there's a globals. What does globals do?
Okay. Global is here, but the global in Nostrmo it doesn't like others. We all know that the global was filled with rubbish, and it was and the global for Nostrmo, I will find some popular nodes, popular user, and popular notice for user, and it doesn't the global message, but I can call that this is the popular message from to use
like
it
a popular
instead of
trending. It's not spam or some trash.
There were so many spam.
Yeah. And so this is using a filter, or how
no
do you
filter.
select
This
nodes?
day is from my other application. It will update several times a day. If other 3 or 5 times a day, this one, and this is the popular user. You can see that.
This popular is how you define the popular.
From now, it just due to the user who was flow it. The number of the
Following.
Following.
Oh, I get it. So it is
Okay.
I saw there's another is a filter. The filter, what's inside?
The filter
on the browser version on the left window, there's a DMs filters.
this one.
No,
this
right. Sorry. Right
this
window.
This the we can call it the master windows. This is the what this is the direct message, and also some notice from the relays to send to the client. Also, there are some errors query, and it will send me. But I believe one day there should be some message sent from the relay to client, and it also will show in here. So the error, and I also show in here.
I see. Okay, so my last question is
Okay.
what is the difference, or what is your purpose to make Nostrmo different from the let's say the famous clients like Deimos, or like what is different?
When the Nostr is known to me, we use the Android or iOS, and many people will ask, oh, why Android and iOS Nostr application isn't the same? So I will use the Flash to make a Nostr application for all platforms, just like iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. They all can use the Nostrmo. And I think something important, just like the NIP-07 I just shared. It was important for the Nostr, but others Nostr application haven't implemented it. So I just write this application. You can see there. This is the what the utils I have collected. You can see this is the music player content list utils. Oh, the network is very slow. Yeah, we can open it and listen music, and we can control our metadata or write long articles or enjoy others web client. These all utils can help the user to enjoy Nostr. I think it's important. And as we all know that other client haven't implemented it. Yes.
Yes, understood. It's pretty cool. It's yeah, it's for Deimos, it's only for iOS or Mac OS. And here's the one like what you did for all the OS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, all of this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a good one. And I think you can update, because I think there's a global, this function is not included in it's not that much used. I think this one, maybe you can improve it and make it like your special, what is special except for all these platforms. And I think you can do this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, because now when you open and client, all the nodes is popping up. You cannot selecting, and you don't know the trending. So this is fun. This is cool. This is all I have to ask. And let me check.
Yes.
Yeah, if anyone got any questions. Let me check the live streaming. Yeah, there is no questions, I think. And thank you, Dasu, for your participating.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your submission, and thanks to everyone. It's really good. And if it's okay, everyone can try this, can find this links on the Hack-nostr-on detail page. And which the link is, you can find it, or just Google it, dorahacks.io/hackathon/Hack-nostr-on. And thank you for everyone. This is all we have for our workshop today. Thanks, Dasu.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks. Okay. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.